kuzayo katuza kubiyoza
Kurigirira umukuru w'irindiro ry'enyamaishwa erya Queen Elizabeth National Park Julius Obwana urukujunanizwa byo kwerinda abantu abarikwiga omu parka abarkwingana 30 nibo bahanikire bakayone babere nibakozesa kandi bakaraganisa obutagaruka kukora kikorwa eki.
Today we have had an event where poachers who comes from communities surrounding the national park surrendered their poaching implements. They have actually come out and said they have surrendered. They are no longer going to continue killing our wildlife.
Kandi eki nikiteekateeka kuija kuyamba munonga aha kurinda enyamaishwa eziri omu irindiro ry'enyamaishwa eri.
So we think that today's event is marking the end of the guys whom I would say they were Saul in conservation, and it is marking the beginning of Pauls in conservation. And we really welcome them, and we think that this is going to boost our conservation, is going to boost tourism, because once community supports conservation, then we know that all the issues of conservation can be solved together with the communities that surround the protected areas.
So within 2 months nituza kurondenya mishoni zigira zita nizibura mugire yo mwazi 10 tananga nate mwaruga nabandi mitego mwabagitegere yine cyari nibenda kuza kushura konkana abagenti mukorebera.
Julius ayongere ya Queen Elizabeth National Park ebona boine munonga nabihijaba nkanda bihijaba ri hagati ya 200 na 400 nubo bakwasirwe kandi bakatwarwa omu mbuga z'amateka.
Poaching generally, I want to say that steals from us all. Queen Elizabeth National Park has experienced quite a number of poaching activities. If I may give statistics, every year we arrest and prosecute between 400 to 450 people who do illegal activities in protected areas.
Kwabaire nagamba hono mushachi weitu homo abihiji ashabire government ya Uganda hamwe n'ekitongole kya Uganda Wildlife Authority kubahereza sente ezibarkurunda no mu marindiro g'enyamaishwa.
Ntwenda netwenka ba poachers etekatekeo etinangwa sente zukwiza ziri zo kuyamba abakwatana na paka netwenka abayigi netubatekateko netuzo mu system turuga paka abokuba abantu bitu baferiro mpaka abana bitu bali makusoma ayabakazi babemfakazi.
I've ordered, sorry, I mean, I thought it was, I've ordered, I didn't them just this guy, I wanted that photo.